All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. 2014 Bowman Sterling Baseball 2-box break. This should go pretty quick. We will do Panini Prism Football right afterwards, guys. So good luck tonight. Good luck. All right, here we go. Box 1. Redemption on the first pack. We're going to start off with Luis Severino for the New York Yankees. And we have Tyler Glasnow for the Pirates. Alright, we have Jason Hirsch for the Atlanta Braves. Base autograph. Here we go, redemption time. Good luck. Prospect auto, Michael Conforto for the New York Mets. Nice hit. He is on fire. Bauer, yes, I told you I start at 10 o'clock. It is 10:01, sir. All right, here we go. Julio Urias for the Dodgers. We have Delano DeShields Jr. for the Astros. Eddie Rosario for the Twins. And we got Brandon Finnegan for the Royals, who is now a Red. Doesn't matter, though. It still goes to the Royals. Conforto is easy to hit in here. He is hot right now, though. His cards are going for good money. No color yet. Joey Gallo insert for the Rangers. Eric Fetty for the Nationals. Lucas Giolito for the Nationals. And Mika Johnson for the White Sox. And someone's messaging me. All right, here we go. We have number /50, Jonathan Scope for the Orioles. And we have Jorge Bonifacio, number /125 for the Royals. We got Eddie Rodriguez for the Red Sox. And we have a refractor, number /150, Andrew Heaney for the Marlins. Too bad he is not a Marlin anymore. Oh boy. Oh boy. 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3. Canary Diamond, Jorge Soler for the Chicago Cubs. 1 out of 3. Beautiful little hit there for the Chicago Cubs. Canary Diamond. So nice hit for Chicago. And then we have Max Pentecost for the Blue Jays. Alex Blandino for the Reds. Heaney was supposed to be amazing. Yes, he totally sucks. And we got Chris Owings for the Diamondbacks. So a nice Canary Diamond. Wish that was autographed, but we'll take it. Alright, redemption coming up. We have Yangervis Solarte, base card for the Padres. Tyler Beede for the Giants. We have Michael Kopech for the Red Sox. Here we go, redemption time. Green refractor autograph. I believe these are numbered to 99. Braxton Davidson for the Atlanta Braves. Haven't seen him in Sterling before. First time. So nice hit for the Braves. Alright, here we go. Next box. Good luck. Yankees have a lot, man. Oh, we got a top loader, fellas. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Here we go. This could be nice. These are usually autographed. We got a top loader. Here we go. Number 250, and it is not autographed. Gregory Polanco, jumbo top loader for the Pirates. Number 250. Unfortunately, it is not autographed, guys. Still a nice card. Not bad. Yankees got Severino. They got a couple guys, man. Judge, Jagiello. Judge is going to be good. All right, Tyler Glass now for the Pirates. Here is Luis Severino right there for the Yankees. We got Justin Nicolino for the Marlins. And Alan Hansen for the Pirates. You got a lot, Bauer. You got a lot. All right, Jorge Alfaro for the Rangers. We got Jorge Alfaro for the Rangers again. J.P. Crawford, number to 150 for the Phillies. And Stephen Piscotty for the Cardinals. Aaron Judge is huge. Big boy. All right, number to 50, Travis D. Arnaud for the New York Mets. And we have Foster Griffin for the Royals. Henry Owens for the Red Sox. And Nick Castellanos for the Tigers. Rookie auto. 3 packs left, guys. Good luck. We got a good auto coming up, but first, number to 25, Kyle Schwarber for the Cubs. Cubs are hitting some good parallel non-autos tonight. Schwarber, number to 25. Then we got Mitch Geeler for the Phillies. Noah Syndergaard for the New York Mets. And Mookie Betts autograph for the Red Sox. Redemption coming up. We got James Paxton for the Mariners. Not a lot of color, guys. Jack Flaherty for the Cardinals. We have Dominic Smith for the Mets. And we have a redemption prospect auto, Bradley Zimmer for the Cleveland Indians. And last pack. Good luck. May the break gods be with you, sirs. Well, it doesn't look good. All right, we got Andrew Suzak for the Giants. Kyle Freeland for the Rockies. C.J. Edwards for the Cubs. And Tom Murphy, number to 125, green refractor for the Colorado Rockies. So that is it. A very quick break. Hopefully everyone got something. Most of the teams did hit, it seemed like. But thank you guys for those that joined the Bowman Sterling. I will have another 2-box break coming up this week as well. So if you want to snag some teams, let me know. I might do a random as well. Not sure yet. We'll let you guys know though.